Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your JBL Tour Pro 2 is stuck in red mode and not responding properly, it can be really frustrating, especially when the earbuds won't connect or seem completely unresponsive. Many users think the earbuds are faulty, but in most cases, red light mode usually indicates low battery, charging issues, or a temporary system glitch. The good thing is that you can fix this quickly by following a few simple steps like resetting, charging properly, and reconnecting. Once done correctly, your earbuds should return to normal and work perfectly again. Try these. Step 1. Place both earbuds into the charging case and ensure proper contact. Step 2. Connect the case to a charger and let it charge for a few minutes. Step 3. Remove the earbuds and press and hold both touch controls for reset. Step 4. Wait for LED indicators to flash or change color. Step 5. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and repair the earbuds. Step 6. Test audio to confirm they are working normally.